giveaway truck. We're getting more and more done on it every week. So, started body work. It's going in for paint real soon. Yeah. Get yourself a sticker. What is it? My shop.
ClassicCarRevivals.myshopify.com.
Yeah, I'm glad I keep you around.
You were just trying to get rid of me.
No, I wasn't. It's got the 5-inch stacks. It's got the dual 50-something gallon fuel tanks, so you can drive all the way from here to the cities on a full tank without having to stop once. Still gonna do something with this back bumper. I don't know if I'm gonna make a toolbox in here and then maybe a slide out toolbox here on wheels so you can keep your stuff in there. Probably find some big old, like, I don't know if O'Reilly's make mud flaps, but I'll throw some of them on there. I want to try pounding a little bit more of this dent out. Knock some of this mud down. But yeah, it's coming along. She's a gem. She's a beaut. And it's getting given away. It's $20 a ticket. Buy as many as you want. Everybody that buys one, I appreciate it. So the first person to buy 2 stickers after I release this episode, I will give you a free entry into Whiskey Dent's his 1966 F600 pickup he's doing. I bought a sticker and I'll throw it in if you buy 2 of mine. So, all right. Hey, make the plan work the plan. Somebody needs to own this truck other than me.
Win Big Jim.
Win Big Jim. Sounds good. See you later.
Today's episode is going to be Lomax. Working on some bumpers. Cleaning them up, making them look nice. And we also spent a little bit of time on our bagged homemade crew cab.